Biya Kamal ka Nuer online TV channel bana rasmi bana jalin ka kwi HIV and AIDS ray which ka sa Sudan ka do badan sha janon ka ja anatin content muktab dung HIV pindian ka do badan en chi ji United Nation shikan walden kontel kan ka kam ji HIV do badan shikan ga ka ja bana jalin ka jan la rame ere ler kana ma bana jalin ka tok English kana thoknath Kenya ban thoknath bana jalat ko bi ba kulo shublo dana go Kenya mi jirama jadid ka Nuer online TV channel go rajano dir subscribe dir jalak dir share minu da gwano shunga kel ka Nuer online TV channel ka jinba dir notification bell dir jatwain ko mete klar mi jadid mi shibaraj adi yana shwa mala ajak Allah bu kolin gwa same Allah inshallah ray wacce ka South Sudan ray wacce ka South Sudan te ka tungwan long talat karodian men yam HIV and AIDS juime bej ngai kondiala HIV and AIDS jana juime je ka tojuta kana shik ki metoira ka netungwan dong shik toje ka netungwan ki dong gut toje ka netungwan ram kelga ka ba juime mo ba je dop ramadodien juime ne di shop ke kisniti jan barrow rewi ka South Sudan chaga kep jan HIV and AIDS men ka do badana shalat keja ne di kinti jan baro ti gani ja kep HIV kane di alti wa ta mashushkan ko kan chaga ban pinya tela walta maskan ka waltin konde la kam gane di konde la patiana kene di kontin ci panken pol ku HIV wa kan chaka ban pin chaka ban pin lora bang tela wal makam ga ka ne dangro ti kan ne di kontin la raj ka kwi jwat ne titi ala HIV and AIDS la National Empowerment of Positive Women United KNEPWU titi jan non-profit organization millet ka kwi ko bane di content ke HIV and AIDS rewi ka South Sudan be kalwak kachikan figure ki kwen ki pek nen konin chamu ke HIV and AIDS ten konin shutin gor kalwak chikana shulada no kane di shop ke kisnet jan baro no kane di ti kane ti chibay de jigantama ka gwade dana shi Donald Trump she tobni wal HIV and AIDS she kangok Donald Trump she United Nation wi mon ke liu chega jogono bikan ngade bikana kapchong ala tumno wal HIV ka bikana kapchong ko korpen dang jok te nin te jan bangwan ajen order ki ngode dana cha European Donald Trump jana me chene de wanche ke chu affect long kan gwada konen top kan foreign aids and ke top kan lok kan konen la jirar che wi de wan long che ka yar ka wi janda ne yar long South Sudan ko South Sudan te grik wan long te twokten te dongor lok ne konen tarar no tama shi kirma yadit chana mo che yar lo tela walta je ne ten content tek HIV and AIDS baje kwen ya ko do brana cha non ga ja an railar kana me chalar ne the National Empowerment of Positive Women United, a non-profit organization working to empower people living with HIV in South Sudan, revealed that around 70,000 people have been directly affected by Donald Trump's 90-day suspension of U.S. foreign aid. After President Trump issued an executive order suspending all foreign aid from his country while accepting American allies Egypt and Israel, the U.S. Department of State then sent a stop work order to staff and contractors of the USAID organization around the world. Among key organizations affected by the temporary pause in foreign aid is the United States President Emergency Plan for AIDS Relief, PEPFAR, which has been crucial in supporting vulnerable countries in fighting the epidemics. Addressing a press conference on February 17, the National The National Empowerment of Positive Women United NEPWU Executive Director Mama Evenly Litio said the PEPFAR program used to donate 1 million annually to the organization and accounted for 75% of the organization budgets. Ms. Litio revealed that within an estimated number of nearly 200,000 people living with HIV in South Sudan, nearly 70,000 rely on international assistance. Ne dia chukan kin the kudang roden kone kap ka jwe you know tandin jekan wal ne ti kin jan baro kan de kone dong jeglok kan de content ra la international assistance ki international community ka loga dan la kana ngun siang. She said the suspension threatened to reverse year of momentum gain in fighting the epidemics. The abrupt all in funding jeopardize these essential services, threatened to reverse years of progress made in the fight against HIV epidemics, potentially leading to disruption of access to life-saving medication, she said. The humanitarian officials state that the situation could lead to potential health crisis for those dependent on continuous treatment. Ms. Letio narrated that inconsistent use of antiretroviral or ARV drug can result in drug resistance and therefore increase new HIV infections and transmission as well as tuberculosis and other sexually transmitted infections. It also poses a threat to prevention process including awareness campaign, condom distribution, access to pre-exposure prophylaxis and post-exposure prophylaxis to the key and vulnerable populations such as IDPs, internet displaced people, refugees, and sex workers, among others. She feared that scaling back relief funding for combating HIV will likely result in higher rate of a new infection in the country. Ms. Letio further revealed that medical supplies for people living with the virus are generally provided by the Global Fund through the UN Development Agency,